am Shweta from English Hours. Today we will discuss class 12th poem Keeping Quiet, written by Pablo Neruda. First of all, about the poet. Pablo Neruda wrote in variety of styles including shortlist poem, historical epic, overtly political manifesto, a prose autobiography and passionate love poems, such as the ones in his collection 20 love poems, and a song of despair. Neruda won the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1971. About the poem. In this poem, Keeping Quiet by Pablo Neruda talks about the need of introspection and to create a feeling of mutual understanding, love, and respect in the human world. He speaks about the life where the human beings are engrossed in their selfish motive and are living a life full of strife and distraction. Keeping Quiet is a simple poem about the need of a little bit of soul searching which may help us to make peace with ourselves and others. It tells us how a moment of silent introspection will make us realize the utter futility of our aggressive endeavors. Now we will discuss the poem, its explanation. First stanza. Now we will count to 12 and we will all keep still. For once on the face of the earth, let's not speak in any language. Let's stop for 1 second and not move our arms so much. In this line, poet tell us, now let us count up to 12. We shall remain silent and motionless. Let us not speak at least once in any language on the surface of the earth. Let us stop for a second and should not move our arms so much. यहाँ पे पोइट कह रहे हैं अब हम 12 तक काउंट करेंगे और हमें मोशनलेस हो जाना है। एक बार के लिए हम केवल अर्थ की तरफ देखेंगे और अर्थ पर कोई भी लैंग्वेज में, किसी भी लैंग्वेज में बात नहीं करेंगे। हम सब मिलकर 1 सेकंड के लिए रुक जाते हैं, शांत हो जाते हैं, चुप हो जाते हैं और यहाँ तक कि अपने आर्म्स को भी, अपने हाथों को भी नहीं हिलाते हैं। Now second stranger. It would be an exotic moment, without rush, without engine. We would all be together in a sudden strangeness. Here, exotic means unusual, कुछ विचित्र. Strangeness, again surprising or unusual. It will be an fascinating or an interesting moment. In that moment, there will be no hurry and no noise of any engine or any machines. There will be a sudden strangeness. We all will experience such a strange moment together. इस स्ट्रेंजा में पोएट कहते हैं कि यह एक एग्जॉटिक मोमेंट होगा जिसमें कोई भी वर्क नहीं होगा, कोई भी इंजन, कोई भी मशीन, किसी चीज का भी शोर नहीं सुनाई देगा। हम सब इस एग्जॉटिक मोमेंट के लिए एक साथ होंगे, एक साथ हम वर्क करेंगे और चुप रहेंगे, सिर्फ चुप रहेंगे। थर्ड स्टैंजा. Fishermen in the cold sea would not harm whales, and the man gathering salt would look at his hurt hands. Here, the fishermen who catch fish in far off cold seas will not harm the whales in the sea, and the people who gathering salts will look at their hurt hand, wounded hands. They will take care of their hands. कोल्ड सी में जो फिशरमैन व्हेल्स को पकड़ते हैं वो उनको नुकसान नहीं पहुंचाएंगे, और जो सॉल्ट को गैदर करते हैं पर्सन्स, व्यक्ति जो नमक को इकट्ठा करते हैं, वो अपने वुंडेड, घायल और हर्ट हैंड को एक बार देखे और उनकी केयर करे। नाउ द फोर्थ स्टैंजा, those who prepared for green wars, wars with gas, wars with fire, victory with no survivors, would put on clean clothes and walk about their brothers in the shed doing nothing. Here the word survivor means those who are left alive. Victory, win. Here the poet gave a piece of advice to those warmongers who wage wars against the environment and those who fight wars with poisonous gas or with firearms. They do achieve victory in wars, but the victory is meaningless because nobody survives after wars. So the poet says that instead of waging war, people should wear clean clothes and move and walk with their brothers under the shady tree. यहाँ पे पोएट एक एडवाइस दे रहे हैं और वो कहते हैं कि वे लोग जो एनवायरनमेंट के विरुद्ध या एनवायरनमेंट के अगेंस्ट युद्ध करते हैं, या वे लोग जो गैस से वॉर करते हैं, या वे लोग जो अग्नि शस्त्रों से या वेपन से युद्ध करते हैं, वे विजय या विन तो उन्हें विजय तो प्राप्त हो जाएगी, लेकिन इस युद्ध में कोई भी जीवित नहीं बच सकता है। कवि कहते हैं कि वे लोग अपने क्लीन क्लोथ पहनकर अपने भाइयों के साथ बिना कुछ किए शांतिपूर्वक पेड़ों की छांव के नीचे सैर कर। नेक्स्ट स्टैंजा, स्टैंजा 5। What I want should not be confused with total inactivity. Life is what it is about. I want no track with that. The poet here clarify that he is talking about silence, quietness. It should not be confused with total inactivity. He says that doing nothing must not be interpreted as total inactivity, because total inactivity means death. The poet has no association with death. पोएट कहते हैं जो मैं चाहता हूँ उसे पूर्ण निष्क्रियता या टोटल इनएक्टिविटी के अर्थ में समझने की भूल या उसे गलत समझने की भूल नहीं करनी चाहिए। जीवन तो वही है जो जीवन है। मैं मृत्यु या डेथ के साथ कोई उसका संबंध नहीं बनाना चाहता हूँ या नहीं रखना चाहता हूँ। नेक्स्ट स्टैंजा, स्टैंजा 6। If we were not so single-minded about keeping our lives moving and for once could do nothing, perhaps a huge silence might interrupt this sadness of never understanding ourselves and of threatening ourselves with death. We should not be so self-centered. We should not focus on only one thing to move our lives. For once we should do nothing and maintain silent. Long silence can do a lot of good by giving us time to introspect. We are sad because we have failed to understand ourselves. Sometimes we threaten ourselves with death. In this state, a long silence can play an important role to dispel this sadness. यहाँ पोएट कहते हैं यदि हम इतना अधिक सेल्फ सेंटर्ड नहीं होते और अपने जीवन को लगातार आगे बढ़ने की ओर ध्यान को केंद्रित ना करके एक बार के लिए कुछ भी नहीं करते, सिर्फ चुप रहते, तो शायद एक लंबी चुप्पी हमें स्वयं को समझ पाने का कारण प्राप्त उदासी और स्वयं को डेथ के मुंह में धकेलने के हमारे खतरे के बीच में जो रुकावट पैदा कर सकती है, अर्थात लंबी चुप्पी हमारी उदासीनता या हमारी उदासी को तोड़ने और हमें डेथ के मुंह से में जाने वाले खतरे से रोकने में एक सहायक सिद्ध हो सकती है। Stanza 7th. Perhaps the earth can teach us, as when everything seemed dead and later proved to be alive. Now I will count up to 12 and you keep quiet and I will go. Perhaps we can learn a lesson from the earth. When everything seemed to be dead, earth always remains alive. It keeps on functioning silently. The poet says that now he will count up to 12 and all of us will keep quiet and he will go out from there. शायद पृथ्वी या शायद अर्थ हमें यह शिक्षा देती है कि हमें किस प्रकार शांति से अपना काम करते रहना चाहिए, क्योंकि पृथ्वी पर जब प्रत्येक चीज डेड लगती है तब भी पृथ्वी जीवित रहती है। अर्थ इसको साबित करती है कि वह हमेशा जीवित रहती है। पोएट कहते हैं कि अब 12 तक मैं गिनना शुरू करता हूं और आप सब जो है शांत हो जाइए, चुप हो जाएंगे और मैं यहां से चला जाऊंगा। The message of the poem. The message of the poem, Keep It Quiet, is that we should be quiet and silent for some time and introspect. By doing this, we will have more time for understanding each other and we will realize how our activities are damaging the earth. Now we will discuss the poetic devices and rhyme schemes. First of all, rhyme scheme. There is no rhyme scheme. It is a free verse poem. Poetic device. First of all, alliteration. It is the occurrence of the same letter or sound at the beginning of adjacent or closely connected word. For example, sudden strangeness. We will. Clean cloth. His heart hangs. Next, repetition. It is the occurrence of the same word in the same line or close line. Example, without rush, without engine. Here, without word is repeating. Student, I hope you understood the poem. Now we will discuss some important MCQs of this poem. Now question number 1. What symbol from nature the poet used to prove that keeping quiet is not totally inactivity? A. Sun. B. Soil. C. Earth. D. Nature and death. The right answer is D. Nature and death. Question number 2. What does the title of the poem suggest? A. Inactivity. B. Noise. C. Unhappiness. D. Maintenance of silence. The right answer is D. Maintenance of silence. Question number 3. Cold sea is poetic device. A. Personification. B. Transferred epithet. C. Metaphor. D. Alliteration. Cold sea is transfer epithet. Question number 4. Why is the moment of silence called exotic? A. Because of the beautiful scenery around. B. because of the gathering. C. Because of large gathering. D. Because of perfect peace and harmony. The right answer is D. Because of perfect peace and harmony. Now question number 5. Sudden strangeness is one of the following poetic devices. A. Alliteration. B. Personification. C. Repetition. D. Simile. The right answer is alliteration. Question number 6. Have no truck with death means A. Will not die of the truck accident. B. Remove poverty and illiteracy. C. Have no association or deal with death. D. Will not drive a truck. The right answer is C. Have no association or deal with death. Question number 7. The type of wars and the poet talk about are A. Green war, war with gas, war with fire. B. Verbal wars. C. Technological war. D. Nuclear wars. The right answer is A. Green wars, war with gas, wars with fire. Question number 8. Without rush, without engine. Refer to A. No hurry to go. B. No traveling. C. No holiday time. D. No noise. The right answer is no noise. Question number 9. Which images in the poem shows that the poet condemns or hates violence? A. Fishermen not harming whales. B. Wars leaving behind no survivals to celebrate. C. Poet's refusal to deal with death. All these. The right answer is D. All these. Question number 10. While gathering salt, what will happen to the man if he keeps silence for a moment? A. He will stop dropping it. B. He will look at the ground. C. He will walk carefully. D. He will think of the harm the salt is doing to his hands. The right answer is D. He will think of the harm the salt is doing to his hands. Question number 11. What does the poem Keeping Quiet teach us? A. How to maintain silence. B. Not to make noise. C. Speaking creates noise. D. To be peaceful, thoughtful and having feeling of brotherhood. The right answer is D. To be peaceful, thoughtful and having feeling of brotherhood. Question number 12. What does the earth symbolize? A. Preservance and new beginning from seeming stillness. B. Stillness. C. Greenery. D. Prosperity. The right answer is A. Preservance and new beginning from seemingly stillness. Question number 13. Where would they be walking? A. In the park. B. Along the river. C. In the shed. D. On the road. The right answer is C. In the shed. Question number 14. Fishermen in the cold sea would not harm A. Sea horses. B. Mermaid, C. Whales, D. Sharks. The right answer is C. Whales. Question number 15. What is the rhyming scheme used in the poem? A. Enclosed rhyming, B. Monorhyme, C. Sonnet, D. Free verse. The right answer is free verse. Question number 16. What does number 12 represent? A. Hours of the day and the month of a year. B. Earth, C. Clock, D. Cricket players. The right answer is A. Hours of the day and the month of a year. Question number 17. The poet appeals to the reader to keep quiet for A. 20 seconds, B. 30 seconds, C. 1 hour, D. 12 seconds. The right answer is 12 seconds. Now question number 18. What is the poetic device in the line? Let's not speak in any language. Let's stop for 1 second. A. Alliteration, B. Anaphora, C. Personification, D. Simile. The right answer is B. Anaphora. Question number 19. What is the essence or message of the poem? A. Introspection and retrospection to be more peaceful and be in harmony. B. To prospect. C. To be happy. D. To reach out more peoples. The right answer is A. Introspection and retrospection to be more peaceful and be in harmony. Question number 20. The last line of the poem is A. And later proved to be alive. B. Life is what it is about. C. I want no truck with death. D. And you will keep quiet and I will go. The right answer is D. You will keep quiet and I will go. Question number 21. According to the poet, wars that are fought have no A. Soldier, B. Weapons, C. Fighter planes, D. Survivors. The right answer is D. Survivors. Question number 22. Not move our arms. What does this expression refer to? A. Sit quietly, B. Stand quietly, C. To be inactivity, D. Sitting still without any movement. The right answer is C. To be inactive. Now question number 23. What according to the poet would interrupt the sadness of man's life? A. Great laughter, B. Huge silence, C. Arguments, D. Fights. The right answer is B. Huge silence. C. Question number 24. Advice to the people not to speak. A. French, B. Spanish, C. Any language, D. English. The right answer is C. Any language. Question number 25. The man in clean cloth would be walking with their A. Wife, B. Brothers, C. Nephews, D. Friends. The right answer is B. Brothers. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.